Okay, this is Josh with my trading systems for Tradestation. These trading systems are available through the Tradestation App Store. This is my S&P 500 E-mini futures trading system that's currently available on the Tradestation. As you can see, there are quite a number of trades. It takes about 35 trades a year. This is on a daily chart. I use daily charts for all my trading systems. I don't trade intraday. So you can see winners. You can see winners lasting, one day. You can see ones that last a little longer. You can also see a few losses in here. There's one there. The system has losses. Any system has losses. That's going to happen. And this system is no exception to that. As you can see, there's the NASDAQ, the gold, and the bond system. The symbol right there. This uses intermarket relationships for deciding some of the trading of this system. So you can add it to your chart by going to the Tradestation App Store, purchasing it, and following those instructions. There's also a trial available. That trial is available. You can test it out. You can see all these trades, and you can evaluate how it would have performed in different circumstances. So here's a little zoom in of the system. You can see that some trades lasted, a few days right here. Some are out as quick as a day with just a little bit of profit. Some are out in a day with quite a lot of profit. So here's kind of what the system did over the course of about 12 years. It's 339 trades, had a pretty good average profit size of $391. So slippage and commission aren't a major factor in this system because of just the larger average trade size. Here's the equity curve. This is about 12 years, like I said, going back to around 2002 to 2001, 2002. So you see it did a pretty good job going pretty close to straight up. We had this accelerated growth period. This was around 2008. This is due to the financial collapse in the US markets. Trading systems often, not just my trading system, any trading system often perform very well in this period, and mine did as well. You'll see there are losses, there are some drawdowns. We try to limit those drawdowns, but there are drawdowns in any real system. So here are the performance numbers. It did about $132,000 of profit in about 12 years. Had a profit factor of around 5.06. And it had a winning percentage a little bit over 92%. That winning percentage, I think, is really important for trading. I like a very winning system. I like that because it gives you confidence. Losing time after time after time can just be very discouraging, and I like to win a majority of the time, and if I can have a system that's around 90% accurate, that just makes me feel really good about trading the system. You might be different, everyone's different, but I like seeing a higher winning percentage. And of course that comes with a price. As I said, our average profit is $391 a trade, but we do have a larger average losing trade of about $1,900. So that's a trade-off that you're going to get with any system that wins a higher percentage of the time. Okay, so the drawdown was about $5,000 intraday and about $2,600 peak or close to close. Those are pretty good drawdowns. I like seeing this 5,000% net profit as percent of drawdown. That number lets me know that the drawdown was very small compared to the total profit in backtesting. 5,000% is very good, and intraday was about 2,500%, as you can see right there. So it made a lot of money for how little it drew down. As you could see in the graph, it had smaller dips by comparison to the total profit, and I think that's really nice feature of this. Okay, if you had any questions about my system, you can contact me at joshstradingapps@outlook.com. Here are some required disclaimer and the CFTC Rule 4.41. I suggest you read and understand these very carefully. This is a risky business. There's a lot of risk in trading. We don't know if the system's going to hold up into the future. We can test as much as we want, but we never know how the market's going to react, and just be prepared for that possibility. And all the results you saw were hypothetical. Those are back-tested results.